Number 4 on this diagram. Shars AXA quick change tool post on eBay. Check your dimensions, 0.6 to 1.75.
Today I'm going to show you how to change out your old tool post, comes on some of your smaller machines and whatnot, to a Shars tool post. I did a lot of homework on these guys, and these guys are pretty good. If you have a compound slide like I do, and fits in there like so, and with this tool post I need to build up this part that's been machined out and tap it and thread it. And I machined these washers, and I'm gonna drill and spot weld this back in. I'm gonna have this other washer here. I'm gonna put a shoulder bolt through here and square everything up, and throw a couple of beads in here and in here, and make it all solid again. And once I get that done, it should be good to go.
Note, wear your appropriate PPE for whatever job you're doing. Safety glasses are a must.
Get yourself some cheap sunglasses.
Got a Allen head bolt. Put a nut on there. Tighten punches here, here, and then I'll pull these out. And I put a little grind in here so I can put a nice little bead right there. Nice little bead right there. And some pretty good size tacks in there. You have to get all the slag out of the dovetail before it fits real nice. A little bit of filing emery cloth, a little bit of time, makes a nice fit. Slide piece goes right down in that dovetail right there. Don't lose that.
Number 5 on this diagram.
We're going to drill and tap this. Alright, next I started with a 15/64 drill bit, and now I'm gonna punch it out to 5/16 drill bit, and I'm gonna go up to the next size drill bit. You're gonna need a tap, and it's an M14 1.5 metric tap. You tap that baby and you should be good to go. Lie down and make the threads about that much longer, so all the threads seat up inside of this compound slide. Tap that, and I left just a couple of threads. Dye the top side for wherever the handle seats up. I think it's going to do the job. So I'm turning a bushing for my compound. This is a new brass bushing I turned on my lathe, and I'm going to insert into the back side of my compound slide. My tool post stud is threaded into my compound slide. Now all we got to do is put the rest of our compound slide back together. What we need to do now is just clean out the keyway slot. The rest of the parts right here, I need to put the compound slide back together, and works good. Tool post goes on here, real nice. Nice fit. You're good to go. Shars quick change tool post mounted to my compound slide, and I have it dialed into about 4 thousandths backlash. So it'll move 1, 2, 3, 4, then the dial moves. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that backlash is in the threads, but I got it dialed in as close as I could get it, so. Hey, I heard you were a wild one. Ooh, if I took you home and be a woman, show me how you do. I wanna shut down the club. Give me a cool dog's thumbs up if this video helps you all out. Thanks.
Party going wild, fist pumping music. I might lose it. Glass to the roof, how we lose it. I don't care tonight, she don't care.
This is it for the quick change tool post video. Thank you.